Hello friends, today's topic excellent stocks now on discount sale. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In the last 1 week, especially on 5th August, market were quite weak. Even though markets were up today, many stocks are down and trading at a discount to its price 1 week back. Global markets have fallen more. So it means that our markets have reacted less to the negative factors. So large cap stocks have fallen lesser than mid and small cap stocks. It's a good discount sale in stock markets for long-term investors who do SCP or SIP. We have compiled a list of stocks from different indices to show how markets have fallen and which stocks are at highest discount compared to 1 week back. Comparison of stock prices 1 week Nifty 50. Tata Motors price on 31st July 1157, price today 1025 and minus 11%. M&M price on 31st July 2908 and today 2681 and discount minus 8%. SBI price on 31st July 2024 872, 7th August today 809 minus 7%. Eicher Motors 4963 versus 4591 and minus 7%. Tata Steel 165 versus 154 minus 7%. IndusInd Bank 1427 versus 1345 minus 6%. Hindalco Industries price on 31st July 670, price on 7th August 624 minus 7%. Grasim price on 31st July 2777, price on 7th August 2637 minus 5%. Infosys 31st July 1868, today 1792 and the percentage change minus 4%. Wipro price on 31st July 522, price on 7th August 497 minus 5%. Bajaj Finserv 31st July 1652, today 1571 minus 5%. L&T 31st July 3815, 7th August 3638, percentage change minus 5%. Now moving on to Nifty Next 50 list, and that is 1 week difference. Power Finance Corporation 31st July 557, today 492 minus 12%. REC 31st July 644, today 590 minus 8%. PNB price on 31st July 124, today 116 minus 6%. Bosch 34,978 1 week back, now 32,431 minus 7%. Samvardhana Motherson 197 31st July, today 7th August 181 minus 8%. Shree Cements 27,740 versus 25,099 minus 10%. Canara Bank 115 versus 108 minus 6%. IRFC 194 versus 182 minus 6%. IOC 1 week back 182, now 172 and percentage change minus 5%. IRCTC 988 versus 931 minus 6%. BEL 316 versus 300 minus 5%. LIC 1176 versus 1124 minus 4%. Our suggestions and comments. Number 1, continue SCP, SIP regularly. 2, if you have some lump sum amount, spread the investments over the next few weeks, months. 3, if you don't have any funds, just hold stocks if they are fundamentally good. Don't sell unless the stocks are fundamentally weak. 4, as far as possible, make use of opportunities to invest in your stocks and mutual funds when markets have fallen. This is apart from SCP, SIP. Have patience for markets to recover. You will learn many lessons about markets when stock prices are lower. 5. Keeping aside money for reasonable spending for today, invest as much as possible as earlier in life so that you can withdraw earlier in life too. At the end of the video, here's the question. Which automobile company has a stake in Ola Electric Company? Four choices. A. Maruti Suzuki. B. Tata Motors. C. Hyundai Motors. D. Toyota Kirloskar. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.